Welcome everyone, I am Willem Brown, and today we'll be taking a look at ecotourism. Ecotourism is responsible travel to natural areas that conserves the environment, sustains the well-being of local people, and involves interpretation and education. In the world today, ecotourism helps poor communities preserve their natural wildlife and ecosystem while maintaining a steady economy due to income from the tourism. The tourism also helps bring in jobs for local communities, which helps increase the population's local economy as well. Tourism has become the most important global economic activity within recent years and has gained $3.5 trillion within the U.S. service sector in 2013. Even though ecotourism is the safest and least harmful way to travel the world, it isn't as harmless as it seems. One large impact ecotourism has is the effect on water resources. When many people travel to new places, they forget to consider the fact that many places do not have easy access to clean drinking water like they do at home, so the tourists quickly go through all the water available in the area they visit. Another negative impact could be what is happening in Montverde Cloud Forest Reserve. As a result of thousands of tourists traveling through the forest trails to visit the reserve, the soil and roots of the surrounding plants is being destroyed, making the land unable to grow on. One more impact humans are having is on the health of turtles and turtle nests left in the Totuguero National Park. The tourists believe they are being harmless by just simply taking pictures of the turtles or shining flashlights, but in actuality, the light greatly harms the turtles. Three main ecotourism attractions are Botswana, the Amazon rainforest, and Costa Rica. The reason the Amazon rainforest is one of the most popular tourist destinations is because it's the most diverse ecosystem on the planet. The Amazon rainforest is also one of the most endangered. More than 20% of the Amazon has already been destroyed, and thousands of species of animals, plants, and insects are now extinct. The relatively new trend of ecotourism seeks to help maintain the natural environment of the Amazon. The reason Botswana is one of the most popular ecotourism destinations is because Botswana realizes that green is more than just a color or a concept. It is a way of life. Botswana's commitment to the conservation of its natural resources, rich wildlife, and cultural heritage was formed in 2002 with the inception of the country's national ecotourism strategy, which positions Botswana as a leading sustainable tourism destination and has led to the development of Botswana's ecotourism certification system, a voluntary tourism industry-wide program run by Botswana Tourism. Considered one of the most biodiverse regions in the world, Costa Rica is divided into 20 natural parks, 8 biological reserves, and a series of protected areas that captivate ecotourism lovers. The variety of activities includes horseback riding, hiking mountainous paths in the cloud forests, and guiding bird-watching tours. Ecotourism is all about attracting tourists to nature-blessed locations and bridging the gap between the tourists and the local communities. The whole idea is to improve the income of the local people in the tourist destinations and develop the tourist sport with the support of the daily bread by taking the tourists around their own location. For example, hundreds of local people work as rangers and field staffs in the Bwindi forests in Uganda. These people even offer food and accommodation to the tourists by which they earn money for a living. Since the people can earn income by serving the tourists, they play their part in developing the tourist spots and attracting the tourists. On the other side, experts highlight the negative side of ecotourism. According to a study, a rare species of wild monkeys in Costa Rican National Park have turned into garbage feeders by eating waste food left out by the tourists. This had adversely affected the health and behavior of these monkeys. The increased flow of tourists to ecologically sensitive areas could result to environmental degradation. Moreover, tourism is a seasonal business, and therefore the local people cannot depend on tourists for their daily income. Whatsoever, today people can get details of every nook of the globe sitting at home through internet. People have started loving to discover new holiday spots. Therefore, ecotourism is going to gain more popularity in the days to come.